Great fake news. You won $1 million in the lottery. You're super excited and you're a little surprised because the lottery officials tell you that you have two options, and this is true. You actually can get 10 annual payments of $100,000 to get your $1 million, or one lump sum payment of X, and this one I'm making it up, and it's $850,000 today. And you're trying to figure out which one's the better option for me. And you say, okay, but I want $1 million. Can I have the $1 million? Yes. You have your 10 annual payments of $100,000, we'll give you $1 million. No, but I want it all today. Okay, if you want it all today, that's $850,000 today. But I want $1 million, so take the annual payments. No, I want it all today. Okay, that's $850. So which one's better? One way for us to figure out what to do it is to say, okay, how much are this $100,000 payment worth to me today? So I can use present value and then say, well, if I can get, I didn't know this before, until now, I can get this at 4.8% per year compounded annually, which option would be better for me? So again, I can figure out the present value of this option number one, and then compare it. Is it more than 850 or is it less than 850? And whichever one is bigger, that's the one I'll take because I'll get more value out of it. So go ahead, figure out the present value of the 10 annual payments, and I'll show the solution below in 3, 2, 1. Here's our formula. We have the regular payment, which is $100,000. Our interest rate is 0.048. Because it was annual interest rate, we did not have to adjust for it. And our N was 10, because the silly question was like, how many years are there in 10 years? Which is obviously just 10. Make sure that you put a negative answer right there. And we just plug that into a calculator, and we get 728.58. So most students can do this, can get this number, and that's okay. But I'd like to ask you, given this number, what does it mean? Or what should I do? Should I get option 1 or should I get option 2? That sounded like Dr. Seuss. Okay, so basically, option 2 is giving me $850,000. Option 1 is the same as getting $779,000 today. So to me, it's much more productive, or it gives me more money if I take option 2, because 850 is more than 780. Agreed? So actually, if I get those 850 and I put away 780 in an account that pays me 4.8% compounded annually, I could make my own payments. I could actually go to the bank every year and take out $100,000, and that money will not run out until it's done. And a bonus, I have an extra $70,000 that I can spend on anything I want right now, guilt-free. I like that idea.